Colby Ag Tech is brought to you by Green Eye Technology. Spray less, grow more with Green Eye's targeted spraying system. Early bird pricing is available now through August 31st. Go to greeneye.ag to learn more. Broadleaf weeds might be popping up in your lawn, and sometimes it's a challenge to get that sprayer with the 120-foot booms in there. Well, Chad Colby's got a solution that might fit a little bit better.
I can't be the only one that drags its feet on some of these new handheld tools. This past week, I upgraded my old manual handheld sprayer for a new electric one from Milwaukee. This kit comes with everything you need: the pump, a wand, a battery, a charger, and of course the tank, and it was super easy to get set up. What I really liked was some of the convenience features. The lid for the tank actually doubles as a measuring cup. Now, Milwaukee makes a few different models of this. They make one with a 1 gallon. This happens to be the 2 gallon. Looks exactly the same. And they also make a backpack version with a bigger tank, a bigger pump, uses a M18 battery. This one uses the small M12 battery, which is really nice because it's lightweight. But from a performance standpoint, it'll still pump as much as 80 gallon. I ran 4 tanks of product through it here this week, and my battery still read it was completely full, so I believe that claim to be correct. As far as operation, man, you put the wand on it, you power up the unit. You can see that little knob right there. It's got a 1, 2, and 3 on it. That's the volume you want out of the pump. And what I really liked, when you turned it up to number 3, it was easily spraying product out a good 15 feet, probably a little longer than that. I changed out this tip because it came with a fan nozzle as well. And I was kind of curious to see how that worked, to be honest with you. We're all very familiar with how the manual sprayers work, and that's what you gave up, right? Is a inconsistent spray pattern, and with this, you get a very consistent spray pattern. Once I loaded it up for some product, I was quick to go out and use it, and I can tell you, this thing worked great. So if you went through that experience of maybe going from a manual grease gun to an electric, or a conventional chainsaw to an electric, I can tell you better put that sprayer on your list, because this is a great tool. For This Week in Agribusiness, I'm Chad Colby.
Thank you, Chad. And folks, don't go away. When we come back, we'll talk with Darren Hefty about the Ag PhD Field Day coming up at the end of this month.